So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your photos into stunning Ghibli style art. So all in just a few easy steps. So at first, all you need to know that if you have chatgpt application in your mobile, you can do it there. I'm gonna use my PC for editing. So first open Chrome, select your account, and then open chatgpt.com. So I'm just typing it. So I have opened chatgpt.com. Now I'm gonna insert one of my photo here. If you have application, you can easily do over there. You don't need to open any browser. So here I'm selecting my photo from upload from computer. So yeah, I'm selecting this photo here. Right. Okay. Yeah, I have opened this image. Now we are going to give a prompt like generate this into Ghibli art. Generate it into Ghibli animation or art. Okay. Now click on enter. It would take some time to render the image, because of this server. Now everyone is started to try this art generating art, so it just takes some time because of server busy. So let us wait for some time. It's getting ready. I think it will take a few minutes. Yeah, now we can see that our image have been processed and we can see the result here. So I can show you the actual image at the front. Yeah, that's the actual image. It was converted like this into the Ghibli anime art style. So I'm saving it by clicking the download symbol. As you see at the right corner, it has been downloaded. So I can preview by double clicking on it. So that's all about the video. Hope you understand everything, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.